Moreno Valley, this is for you. Your AC is broken down. You need help. You don't want to spend big bucks, but you need top quality work. That is what I'm offering you. I save money by not having high-priced advertising like TV spots or high-priced spokesperson. As you can see, I don't even have one of the fancy websites. I pass those savings on to you. But I do not cut corners with anything concerning my customers. Here's my promise to you. Fair prices, top quality guaranteed work. Everything from a simple cleaning and tune-up to a brand new whole house system. And lots of coupons. I'll even pay for your first service call. Print this page, use the coupon, call me. Let me prove I am the best air conditioning service company you have ever had. And this, just for you on this page, I'll even make an appointment on Saturday or Sunday. Same terms, just print the Saturday, Sunday coupon, tell us you have it when you call. I am Jeff Sanborn, and I own West Coast Mechanical, and you have my personal guarantee on it. I'll see you there.